Coming up on CSD News.
Story about art tonight.
The latest on Tuesday Talks.
And what happened behind the scenes with the pipes.
Hi, I'm Eleanor.
And I'm Cooper. Welcome to another episode of CSD News.
First, we've got some news for you.
Were you wondering what happened with the pipes before break?
Or were you just happy with the days off?
A pipe burst Sunday night near the parking lot.
Teachers and staff were able to fix the break just in time for the basketball game that night.
But little did they know, when they turned the water back on, the pressure would burst another pipe in the Arts Commons.
Monday night, the basketball games were canceled just because the water level in the Arts Commons was rising.
While shoveling water into drain pipes, the staff were able to fix the problem.
Well, that's one way to go out for Thanksgiving break. Up next, Vicki and Grayson have the latest on Tuesday Talks.
We interviewed 3 teachers to see what they want to do with Tuesday Talks.
The first question we asked was, what do you want to accomplish with your Tuesday Talks group?
With my Tuesday Talks, I just want them to be comfortable talking to each other and have a little bit of fun. That's all.
Well, for one, that the students who are in my group would feel comfortable with each other, talking and having a good time, getting to know each other. So it does take a little time.
Tuesday Talks, I want to make sure that it's comfortable and the students get to experience something new, getting to know students maybe that they've never met before, that they possibly would not meet before, maybe just see them in the hallway and develop relationships and connections with them.
The second question we asked was, do you think Tuesday Talks is better than advisory?
Yes, because I like the idea of people being not necessarily in a group with their friends where they all cluster in little pockets, and now they're just kind of talking to each other, which is nice. And I like that it doesn't have anything to do with our service day. It's an improvement for me.
I think largely it's really the same thing. Some of the differences are that advisory, the students really got to pick and choose. So many times they either chose the group of people they wanted to be with, like their friends, or they chose an advisory or a service that they thought was really appealing to them.
I think they're two separate things. I think advisory served its purpose, and now with Tuesday Talks, it's more intentional. We're talking about subjects and topics that would be of interest to you, maybe that you hadn't discussed before with parents or others. So I think they're completely separate.
The third and final question that we asked was, what do you think can be done to improve Tuesday Talks?
I think every person who participates in Tuesday Talks has to think about what they can do to make it better. Because I know I could probably make mine better if I talked a little less and the kids talked a little bit more. So if everybody does something to make it better, it'll be better.
I'm not really sure specifically. I think some of it is just to get to know people without having things maybe forced on them, certain topics forced on them, whether it's just playing games or making food together or just relaxing and talking about things that are interesting to them.
I think there's lots of room for improvement. I think we're laying the foundation currently and getting it started. I think more student input, finding out what y'all need, what you would like to have in there. No chance in canceling it, but how we can improve it and move forward.
Hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight about what the teachers want to do with their Tuesday Talks.
Thanks for that story, guys.
Did you know what happened in art tonight? Well, we have more.
Arts Night is a great place for students to show their artistic abilities that they've learned from their elective classes.
Several people performed their talents, doing several activities such as dance, songwriting, video production, and multiple visual arts.
I hope you guys went to see some cool projects.
It was lots of fun.
Now Sean and Alex with a fun cooking segment.
Over to you guys.
Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to our cooking show. I'm here with Sean Cosgrove, and we're going to make some fantastic food for you guys today. Let's see how this goes. As you know, we like to keep it safe here at CSD, so we're going to go ahead and use some of our safety gloves.
Alright, so we're going to set the scene right now. We got a spoon, we got some grits, some, good stuff. And then we got the secret ingredient, we got some Oreos. We're going to do some special stuff with that, so let's get to it, shall we? Step 1, we're just going to take everything off here. We're going to fold it up. Alex is going to smash the Oreos. Alright, so step 2, we're going to add the packet of grits into one of the red Solo cups. Right. So step 3, we're just gonna put some Oreos in with the grits. Yep, like that. Very good.
Nice and tasty.
Delicious.
Oh yeah.
And then we're just gonna add some hot water into it. Now we're gonna stir it up. Alright, so we got Liam in the comments to help try to taste test this. So how's it going down? Alright, honest review.
Well, I mean, in all honesty, it wasn't that terrible. It really didn't taste good at all, but like, it was really weird, like texture-wise in my mouth.
Thanks for watching our cooking show. Tune in next time.
Thanks for that segment, guys.
That was really something. Up next, the CSD will continue with a sports update, but first, a short thing with Davis.
Hello, it's me, your boy, Davis McClure. Welcome back to another Club Corner. This week, we're going to be talking about the Board Game Club. What is the Board Game Club, you might ask? Well, every Wednesday, the club meets in Miss Snyder's room, and we play a board game that someone brings in the entire class. Epic! I took liberty to interview you with the founder of the club.
What made you want to make the club?
Well, I started this club last year when I was a freshman, and I wanted to start it because I just wanted to have something like a good environment for people to have fun during lunch and meet up and just like have a good time with friends and other people. Yeah.
That has been Club Corner. Now back to your anchors.
Thanks, Davis. Welcome back, you guys. Winter sports are just getting underway. Let's hear more from Christian, Nick, and Elijah with our Spartan basketball update.
What's up, guys? I'm with the Zone Busters of the CSD basketball team, Nick Noble and Elijah McAfee. First question is for Nick. Nick, you guys went to the 4th round of state playoffs last year. You got some big shoes to fill. What are you going to do? How does that feel?
Feels great. I mean, there's a lot of expectations coming up this year. I think we can fill them. I think there's doubters, but knowing the team that we have, we work hard and we can get to where we were last year.
Alright, second question is for Elijah. You were a JV player first 3 years. Now you're on varsity and you're getting significant minutes. How does that feel?
It was hard to adjust at first, but then I made the adjustment and it's a lot faster, but great teammates and they helped me, so should have a good year.
Alright, final question is for both of you. Conference play is now underway. What are you guys' goals in the conference?
First, we want to win the regular season conference championship.
We gotta take it one game at a time and hopefully win all the conference games.
Alright, well, there you have it. That's 94 feet with the Zone Busters, Nick Noble, Elijah McAfee. Come out to the games and support.
Thanks, guys, for the update.
Well, that's it for another episode of CSD News.
Join us next time after the holidays for our first 2020 newscast.
Stay safe and have a great holiday season.